Welcome to our in-depth guide on the best outdoor security cameras, the must-have gear for protecting your home, monitoring activity, and giving you peace of mind whether you're at work, on vacation, or just relaxing inside. Outdoor security cameras have come a long way, and the right system can not only deter intruders but also provide crystal-clear video, smart alerts, app access, and intelligent detection that helps you stay in control. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 of the best outdoor security cameras available today, comparing features like video quality, durability, connectivity, storage options, and smart functions so you can choose the perfect setup for your needs. Let's start with an excellent all-around choice that's built for dependable performance in everyday home environments. The G-Key outdoor security cameras deliver a reliable blend of video clarity, weather resistance, and smart monitoring that works well for most outdoor spaces. These cameras typically offer high-resolution video, often up to 1080p or higher, so you get detailed footage of your yard, driveway, or entry points. A strong standout feature for this model is the combination of motion detection alerts and real-time app notifications. Whenever movement is detected, you'll get an alert on your smartphone, allowing you to check the live feed immediately. Users report that these cameras are easy to install, pair quickly over Wi-Fi, and deliver stable performance without frequent disconnects. In addition to good video quality, the G-Key outdoor security cameras are built to withstand outdoor conditions, with weatherproof housings that stand up to rain, dust, and temperature changes. Whether you're protecting a suburban yard or monitoring a commercial entrance, this reliability gives you confidence that the cameras will hold up over time. Some camera setups in this range also include night vision, letting you capture clear footage even in low-light conditions, which is crucial for nighttime monitoring. What makes this model particularly appealing for families and general home users is the balance of features to price. You get dependable monitoring without needing complex installation or premium subscriptions, and the overall performance handles basic and advanced tasks with ease. Next up is a fan-favorite option for renters, casual users, and anyone who wants a truly flexible installation: the Tapo wire-free MagCam. As the name suggests, this camera is wire-free, meaning you don't need to run power cables or worry about drilling near outlets. That dramatically simplifies placement, allowing you to mount the camera virtually anywhere, from outdoor walls and eaves to backyard trees or fence posts. The magnetic mount on the Tapo MagCam makes repositioning a breeze. If you need to change angles or move the camera seasonally, it's as simple as adjusting the magnet and clicking it into place. This is especially useful if your property layout or lighting conditions change throughout the year. In terms of performance, these wire-free cameras still pack a punch. They typically capture sharp video with motion alerts, two-way audio, and night vision. The app interface is intuitive, giving you real-time access to live feeds, recorded clips, and customizable detection zones. This means you can define specific areas where you want motion detection to be active, such as a gate or driveway, while ignoring less critical zones like windy trees or moving cars in the street. Battery life on the Tapo MagCam tends to be solid, especially when paired with solar panels or efficient power management settings in the app. For many users, going wire-free is a big advantage that outweighs the slight trade-off in continuous power, and it's one of the biggest reasons this camera earns a high spot on our list. If you're invested in a smart home ecosystem or prioritize professional-grade integration and reliability, the Google Nest Cam Outdoor is a camera that often tops expert and user lists alike. Designed to work seamlessly with Google Home, this camera provides crisp video, intelligent alerts, and advanced AI-driven detection that distinguishes people, vehicles, and animals. One key strength of the Nest Cam Outdoor is visibility. With high-resolution video and excellent low-light performance, you can confidently monitor your property around the clock. The Nest Cam also offers built-in facial recognition features when paired with Google's intelligent services, meaning it can learn familiar faces and notify you when unfamiliar people are detected. The Google Home app is a significant advantage for users already using Nest products, Chromecast, or other Google Smart devices. Integration across devices means you can watch your live camera feed on smart displays, assign routines based on detection events, and manage settings across all connected gear. Another practical aspect of the Nest Cam Outdoor is its sturdy weatherproof build. It's designed to hold up through rain, wind, snow, and extreme temperatures, which is critical for an outdoor surveillance device. Plus, cloud storage options give you peace of mind knowing recordings are safely backed up and accessible from anywhere. For homeowners who want reliable outdoor surveillance without breaking the bank, the AOSU outdoor security cameras represent a great middle ground option, combining solid fundamentals with everyday practicality. These cameras typically include full weatherproofing, motion detection, and smartphone alerts, essential features for keeping an eye on driveways, backyards, or front porches. What sets the AOSU cameras apart is the emphasis on simplicity and stability. Many users note that these units connect easily to home Wi-Fi, maintain stable signals without frequent drops, and deliver consistent app notifications. The video quality is usually crisp enough to catch detail at moderate distances, and integrated infrared night vision ensures you don't lose visibility after sunset. The AOSU system also tends to offer flexible storage options, including local microSD card storage along with optional cloud support. This dual option can be useful for users who don't want ongoing subscription costs and prefer to manage recordings on their own. App controls are straightforward, giving you quick access to live views, motion clips, and camera settings with minimal hassle. This camera is a great choice for homeowners who want dependable outdoor monitoring without overcomplicated smart features or premium ecosystem requirements. It balances quality, durability, and straightforward functionality in a way that appeals to a broad range of users. Topping our list and earning the #1 spot is the ANSQUE Outdoor Security Cameras, a model that combines rugged durability, high-resolution imaging, intelligent alerts, and reliable weather resistance into one well-rounded package. This camera system is designed from the ground up to deliver strong video performance in most outdoor settings, whether you're monitoring a front entrance, a long driveway, or a backyard play area. One of the standout features of the ANSQUE outdoor security cameras is their video clarity. With high-definition recording, often at 1080p or higher, you get detailed footage that helps identify faces, license plates, and movement with greater confidence than many lower-resolution models. This clarity extends to night vision as well, allowing you to rely on the camera both day and night. Motion detection on the ANSQUE system is responsive and customizable, delivering real-time alerts right to your smartphone, so you'll know when activity is detected. The companion app offers a range of controls from viewing live feeds to managing recording schedules, adjusting detection sensitivity, and reviewing playback clips. The ANSQUE outdoor security cameras strike a strong balance of performance, app control, alert specificity, and ruggedness, which is why they stand out as our recommended pick for most home security setups. Whether you're protecting a small yard or a large property, this system delivers professional-level coverage without overly complex setup or maintenance. When choosing your outdoor security camera, think about how and where you'll use it. If you want easy placement and mobility, the Tapo wire-free MagCam makes setup simple without wiring hassles. For smart home enthusiasts, the Google Nest Cam Outdoor offers advanced integration and intelligent features. If you're looking for solid everyday performance without subscription costs, the AOSU outdoor security cameras deliver reliable monitoring. The G-Key outdoor security cameras strike a balance of straightforward usability and dependable alerts, while the ANSQUE outdoor security cameras provide top-tier clarity, durability, and feature control for comprehensive security. And that wraps up our full review of the best outdoor security cameras available today. Which one will you use to protect your home? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest gear reviews. Check the description for current deals so you can grab the perfect outdoor camera system for your needs before your next adventure or rainy season. Thanks for watching.